In this video, I want to show you how to reproject vector data in QGIS. So to do that, here in QGIS, let's bring in a vector data to demonstrate it. To do that, click on Add Vector Layer, browse to your folder, and in this exercise, I want to use this vector data called Lokoja. Select it and click on Open. Then click Open. Here is my vector data. Now let me check the properties of this data. Right click and click on Properties. When it opens, come under General, then come under Coordinate Reference System. You can see that the correct coordinate system is Geographic Coordinate System, WGS 84. Now if I want to change it to projected, how do I simply do that? So let's close this page. To do that, let's use a simple method. Just right click your layer and come to Save As. Then make sure you select S3 shapefile. Then browse to your folder where you want to save the results. Now let's save it here as Project. Then click on Save. Then here, click on Select CRS. Click on it. Then here, you can search for your CRS. If you know the code, just enter the code to search it. This data belongs to zone 32 north. So I can just type 32N. So to bring it here, UTM zone 32 north. I'll select it and click on OK. You can see that it has been captured. Then I can leave other thing at default and check this to add save file to map. Then click on OK. So it has been done. Then if you now come to it, here is it project. Right click and open properties. Here you can see that the coordinate reference system has been changed to UTM zone 32 north, that is projected coordinate reference system. This is a simple way of reprojecting your shapefile or vector data in QGIS. Thank you for watching.